Make a great choice today with the 2024 Mustang. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with a manual transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, trip computer, compass. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.